Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an Adobe Scan account on Android. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First things first, you'll need to open the Adobe Scan app on your Android device. Once the app launches, you'll see the initial welcome screen with a few options displayed. Look for the button that says Sign In or Sign Up and tap on it. This is your gateway to accessing all of Adobe Scan's features and cloud storage capabilities. After tapping that, you'll be presented with two options. Since you're creating a new account, go ahead and tap on Create an Account. This will take you to the registration form where you'll set up your Adobe credentials from scratch. Now you'll see fields asking for your basic login information. Start by entering your email address in the first field. Make sure to use an email you have access to, as Adobe will use this for account verification and important notifications. Below that, you'll see a password field. Enter a strong password that you'll remember, but that's also secure enough to protect your documents and scans. Once you've filled in both your email and password, tap the Continue button at the bottom. This moves you forward to the next stage of the registration process, where Adobe needs to collect some additional information about you. On the next screen, you'll be asked to provide your personal details. Input your first name in the designated field, and then enter your last name in the field below it. These details help personalize your Adobe experience and appear in your account settings. Next, you'll need to set your date of birth. Select the month from the drop-down menu that appears and then choose the year. This information is required for account verification purposes and ensures compliance with age restrictions in different regions. After that, you'll see a field asking you to select your country or region. Tap on this field and choose your location from the list that appears. This helps Adobe provide you with region-specific features, language options, and comply with local data regulations. With all your information entered, you're ready to finalize the process. Tap on the Create Account button at the bottom of the screen. Adobe will then process your information, verify your details, and set up your account. This usually takes just a few seconds, and once it's complete, you'll be logged into your new Adobe Scan account with full access to all its features. And that's it. You now have an Adobe Scan account set up and ready to use on your Android device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.